Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I will tell you how you can rename PIV files on your cell phone. In this case it will be Android. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes. Also write your comments after watching this video. And let's get started with you and me. So, first of all, you will need to on your Android device. Find the Files app or My Files. And the easiest way to find that app on any Android is to go to the search box. Type in the word Files. And then you'll see the app and you can open it. And it doesn't matter if it's an app that you have on your phone files or if it's a Google app. Next, you will need to go to the Documents folder because that is the only place where PDF files are saved. And then to rename a file, you need to either click on the three dots next to it, hold down on it, and you'll either have the same three dots at the top or at the bottom. You click on them and select Rename. Now you can rename your file however you want. Once you've renamed it, you click OK or Rename. And as you can see, immediately the PDF file was instantly renamed. That's the simple way, friends, you will be able to rename your PDF files on your Android mobile device. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you later.